Welcome to the reproductive system. This is the body system responsible for making babies and continuing human existence. As we think about the reproductive system, we must talk about the different sexes. Let's start with the male reproductive system. Here is an anatomical view of the male. As you can see, the penis and the testicles are the two most prominent organs of the male. Let's dive in to see what else is going on. In this view, you can see the bladder, which stores our urine until it needs to be released. The testicles can also be seen. They produce a sperm, which eventually fertilize the female egg. Also visible is the prostate, which helps provide nourishing fluid for the sperm to swim in. Finally, the penis serves as an exit corridor for both the urine and the sperm. Again, sperm are the male reproductive cells. They are made in the testicles and are stored in the seminal vesicles. It is the head of the sperm which holds the DNA codes that make a baby with an egg. The scrotum outside of the body acts like a climate control system for the testicles, because the sperm like it to be a few degrees cooler than our normal body temperature. Ejaculation is the exiting of the sperm from the body. The sperm start from the testicles and are pushed through the vas deferens. As the sperm pass the prostate and the seminal vesicles, the sperm are mixed with fluid, which nourishes them and aids in their swimming. From here, they flow out the male's penis and into the female's vagina. Sperm, like Lewis and Clark, are explorers. In all honesty, they start off having no idea where they are going. It would be nice if they had a map of the female reproductive system, but they do not. In fact, of the thousands of sperm which flow upon ejaculation, only one will be able to mix with the female's egg. Let's take a look at the female anatomy. Here we see that females have a vagina, which is the tunnel that leads from outside of her body to the cervix. The cervix forms a thinner channel that the sperm can enter or menstrual discharge can exit. Continuing up is the uterus. The uterus is where a fertilized egg will transform into a fetus. The ovaries hold millions of eggs. Usually, one egg per month is released and travels down the fallopian tubes towards her uterus. This picture shows how the female reproductive system sits in relation to some of the other body's organs. You can also see the colon, as well as the bladder in this picture. If a sperm cell makes it all the way up to the fallopian tube just after the egg is released, the two will fuse together and form one cell. That new cell will travel back down the fallopian tube towards the uterus. It takes approximately 7 days for the zygote, or newly formed cell, to make it to the uterus. Once here, the zygote will attach to the uterine wall and continue its growth into a baby. Once matured, the baby will pass out of the body through the cervix and out of the vagina. If no sperm cell can meet up with an egg cell, then the uterine wall and the egg will decompose and pass through the cervix and out the vagina. This is called a period. Females will get these once every 28 days, give or take a day or two. Even as the blood is passing out the woman's body, the uterine wall and the ovaries are preparing for the next cycle. Any questions?